Hey y'all, it's your girl Haley Elise. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. Okay, so this week I wanted to show you this super cute bubble ponytail look that I did for New Year's Eve on my freshly blown out hair. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay y'all, for products we have our Edge Fixer wax stick, we have some Edge Effect gel, Kenra humidifier spray, hair ties, and my Cuban twist hair. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do first is just begin to spray my hair with this Kenra anti-humidifier spray all over. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and establish a part. So this is completely up to you whether you want to do side, middle, or straight back. But I'm all about the side part. From there, I'm going to begin to apply my Edge Fixer wax stick all over my hair just to begin to lay down and mold my ponytail. What I'm going to do now is apply some of my Edge Effect edge control to my edges, of course. And again, we're going to continue to just brush down and mold our ponytail. Now with this ponytail, I'm going to create a small bun at the back. So what I did with my excess hair is just rolled it up under and around to make a small circular bun. And just like that, our bun is now complete. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and wrap our edges. We got to make it smooth and keep it laid, y'all. All right, so after that, here comes the fun part. We're going to go ahead and apply our ponytail. What I've done is basically just applied scrunchies to that Cuban twist hair. I added about 6 scrunchies to create 6 bubbles. At the top, I created like a makeshift ponytail holder around the hair itself. From there, I went ahead and just wrapped that ponytail holder that is on the hair to my hair, and then I pinned that first bubble over and around my actual bun. All right, and then from there I just started to add bobby pins to make sure that everything was safe and secure. And y'all, that's about it. So let's go ahead and see the final product. And voila, y'all, just like that, we are New Year's Eve ready, honey. We are cute, we are classy, we are popping, okay? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and I'm so pleased with this look. So as usual, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think below, and make sure y'all stay tuned for photos. And I have to show you some of my final accessories as well. Oops, I almost forgot, y'all. Let's get into this length check. Do y'all see that? Talk about drama and elegant. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peep the photos, and I cannot wait to see you all soon. Bye.